Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers, all my creative viewers are fine and doing well. So guys, I am back with another beautiful ideas about the designs of Happy Easter 2025. Happy Easter 2025, unique idea, creative idea, simple ideas. The design of Happy Easter, enjoy the days of love. Spring season hanging tree designs, Easter hanging tree designs that is most beautiful, that is most creative look. And I hope you enjoy the videos and I hope you love my videos, because Happy Easter 2025 is a day of blessing, is a day of joy. Happy spring season, happy tree designs, the creative ideas, the unique ideas. And I hope you enjoy my videos and I hope you love the designs of creativity. If you are new on my YouTube channel and you are searching the best designs of happy spring season, happy Easter ideas, then guys you are on the right place. I hope spring season is a day of happiness, improve your lifestyle as well as decrease your the sorrows, sadness, anxiety, depression. So because everyone like the fragrance of flowers, everyone like the flowers of different colors, different themes. And flower is a symbol of love, joy and creativity. So in this connection you see the hanging ideas of X trees, spring seasons designs that recreate your home, that recreate your wall, that recreate your centerpiece. I hope you enjoy the videos and I hope you love the videos, designs, creativity. Take a screenshot for the home decor designs on Easter. Happy Easter 2025. The celebrations, the joys, the love, the sorrows are started now. And enjoy the creativity, enjoy the days of spring season 2025. Hanging ideas, Easter tree hanging ideas, Easter tree creative ideas for my viewers. Watch, like and comment and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.